Hey guys, it's Vishali and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a wall hanging. And the art that I'm going to show you is particularly known as Lippan Kaam or mud and mirror work. And it's a traditional mural art form from Kutch Gujarat. And initially it was done by village ladies to decorate mud walls and to keep the interiors of their home cool. So it was my first time that I tried my hands in this particular art form, and the final piece that came out is really beautiful. So I would love to show you guys how I made this, and without any further ado, let's get into the video. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this Lipan art. I made this art on MDF board. So this is the MDF board that I'm going to use. You can see how thin is this. If you don't have such board, then you can try this art on thick cardboard also, or on any plastic. The length of this board is around 67 centimeters, and we are going to need such clay. This is air dry modeling clay. So first we need to prepare the board for Lippan Kaam. Here we need to make a paste. For this, take around 3 teaspoons of Plaster of Paris and 1 teaspoon of white glue and a teaspoon of water. You need to mix all the ingredients and make a paste. We have to apply this paste on board, so you see the consistency. We need such consistency of this paste. So just directly apply this paste on this MDF board. These type of boards are easily available online. I had this board, so I'm using this. Apply this Plaster of Paris paste on board using brush. Make sure it thoroughly covers the board and then let it dry. Once it is dried, make some basic design on board with pencil. These are some mirror mosaic I am going to use. Apply glue on board and stick these mirrors. So here in Germany I got this clay. This is an air dry modeling clay. In India also this is available online. You can check the description box. Now you need to roll this clay with hand on plain surface like this. We need to first cover all the corners of the board. So apply glue on corners and then stick the rolled clay on it. Outline the basic design with clay as shown. You see that I made a geometric pattern. You can make any design you want. Let me tell you some interesting facts about this art. This is a traditional Indian Gujarati Kutchi art. This is made with mud, clay or some mirrors, and it was traditionally done by women from Kutch district of Gujarat. These women used mirrors and cow dung to create design on wall of their hearts inside and outside both. This art is a beautiful artistic treat to our eyes. also you can get such air hardening clay. It's available online. You can check the link in description box if you want to buy such clay. If you don't have mirrors, then plastic mirrors for embroidery work can be used here. Those circle shaped mirrors that I'm using are plastic mirrors. There are 2-3 basic designs you can always make is a round shape and a leaf shape. These are very easy to make with clay. The good thing about this DIY is if you like to work with clay, this DIY will be a fun to do. If you think you don't know which design to make, just select any mandala design from internet and transform the design in Lipan Art. This is so far the basic design that I made on this board. So there were 4 squares that I need to complete first, and you see the gap between these squares. So I'm going to fill this with some more Lipan work. Traditionally, these sparkling murals was initially done by the village ladies to decorate the mud walls and keep the interiors of their home cool. Nowadays, variety of mud from Kutch along with clay and colors are used to make the Lipan. It takes hours for the clay and colors to dry. is the final look. I just kept it on one of our side tables in bedroom, and you see how beautiful it's looking. If you want, you can hang this on wall by using any strong double-sided tape. So this was the first time I tried my hand in this beautiful art, and I'm so happy with the final look. I'm gonna try this on different materials also, like plastic plate and cardboard. This will look awesome on that too. So this is it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed the DIY. Try this beautiful art and decorate your home in traditional way. Even in modern interior, this piece will look awesome. Try this out. Let me know by your comments how did you find this, and give this video a thumbs up if you like the video, and subscribe if you're new to this channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.